Hello students, I am going to show you how would you work on your Canvas while you're taking this class. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I open a browser and then I usually use Google Chrome, but you can use Safari or whatever you got in your computer. Okay, now here I usually put Peralta Portal. And then I go to Student Campus Solution. And when you go there, it takes you to the student portal. This is where you usually want to go. And here you put your student ID and your Peralta email and then your password to get into your email. So in this case, I'm gonna use mine as a teacher. Yours is different. Usually yours has your student ID number plus at cc.peralta.edu. And let me write Peralta.edu. Oh. So yours will have here your student ID number, and then here will be cc.peralta.edu. That's how student email addresses are from the school. Mine is a little bit different because I'm a teacher. Then you click next, and here you'll write your password. If you haven't set up your password, then you have to go to forgotten my password and set up a password. So I'm gonna write my password and then click sign in. And then it will take you to the student portal. Usually it will say here the student portal, and in here it would have your initials. And if you can upload a picture, you can upload a picture. In my case, I have a picture. So now here it is Canvas. This is what you're gonna use for the class. So you click on it. And it's going to take you to the dashboard of Canvas. The dashboard is where it shows all your classes. This shows me all the classes I am teaching. Okay, so your class, you just pick on your class. So in this case, I'm gonna pick this class. And then here it will take you to your homepage. Okay, so I'm gonna click in a student view so you can see it as a student. The same thing as you will see it as a student. So here is the home page. Here is the information. It tells you when the class is, if it's, most of the time on the home page will tell you if the class is hybrid or if the class it's online, or if you have Zoom meetings or everything like that. So here, if you click in this button, it will take you to the module that is the welcome module of the student orientation module, and I recommend you to do it. Then it has the link for the syllabus, very important, and then the modules in general. So when you are working on the class, usually in this menu bar here is where you can see different things. So you have access to different of these things. Here, if you click syllabus, it's gonna take you to the syllabus. And you can see the syllabus at any time. And at the bottom, when you're done with the syllabus, it will tell you like what is due when. But forget about this because this has the wrong dates. I'm changing the dates, these dates, as the semester goes on. So don't worry about this. I will be telling you every week what's the next module and what's the next homework. But if you want to always check, you always go to modules. Everything will go through modules. Your homeworks or assignments, your quizzes, and your discussions. So these papers right here, or these icons of papers, it means there are pages. That means they have information. And I would recommend you to read all of these if you can, when you can, so you prepare. And then after here, you will see, for example, week 1 and then the module, and then it will have the homework. So I'm gonna take you back to the teacher side so I can show you what you would see in a weekly module. So for week 1, which I haven't published, you will see the date. So week 1 goes from September 15 to September 22nd. And what usually happens is while I'm in class, I will open the module while I'm in the class. So you don't have to worry about it. And however, when it says September 22nd, you'll have to do your discussions or your quizzes or your assignments by this date, but September 22nd at 11:59 at night. So that's how it goes. So even though, let's say it comes September 22nd on Thursday, and you haven't finished some of your work, you still have time after class, because you have until the day of the class and at 11:59. If you let the clock go until 12, it will not allow you to finish your work. You have to do it by 11:59 p.m. And then there will be week 2, week 3, and like that, it will be progressively. But every week I will open a module. So that way we will go in order, and that way we will all be on the same page. Okay, that's it. I'm going back to the student view. So for now, you should be just able to see up to here, which is what you're supposed to be doing because we are at the beginning of the semester. Okay, I hope this helped you. Go through your Canvas page. Please, I want to show you, I'm gonna add something. Here you can see the people that is in the class. Here you can record your name. I would advise you to record your name. I'm going to go to here. So here you can hear how I say my name and the students who have recorded their name. I will recommend you to record your name so I can learn the pronunciation of your name. Okay, and I see some of you have already recorded, which is excellent. And then here is where you see the grades, which no one has grades, but I'm gonna use it as a student view. So as a student view, you'll see, if you click in grades, you will see it like this. It shows missing because this class hasn't started. So don't worry. And the dates the dates haven't been changed, but these dates will change soon. So don't worry about that. Okay, so I hope you understood. If you have any questions, you can ask them in class, or you can email me, or you can ask them, make an appointment and ask them to me during office hours. Have a good day. Bye-bye.